The Samsung Galaxy Z Roll 5G represents Samsung's bold leap into rollable display technology, offering a new form factor that expands beyond traditional foldables by allowing the screen to roll out for a larger viewing area and retract back into a more compact size. Instead of a hinge that folds in half, the Z Roll uses a flexible panel that smoothly extends, giving users the flexibility of a phone that can transform into a larger, almost tablet-like display without creases or bulk. It's expected to feature 5G connectivity, a high refresh rate AMOLED screen for vivid visuals, a powerful flagship-class processor for fast performance, and a versatile camera system that keeps pace with Samsung's Galaxy flagship standards. Samsung's software will likely be optimized for this new form factor, with adaptive multitasking and user interface elements that adjust seamlessly as the screen expands and contracts. With its innovative design and premium feature set, the Galaxy Z Roll 5G aims to redefine mobile productivity and media consumption, positioning itself as a cutting-edge device for users who want the latest in smartphone evolution.